So you like this place?
Yep. It's a quiet place.
We're here getting the car wash because we're gonna extend the car rental one more week, at least one more week. Right there is people right there. The car wash is only 100 pesos. That's like $2 American. They wash it, they detail it, a vacuum and everything like that. While we're waiting, we have free bananas.
Oh, that's Kambal Twin.
Look at that.
Lagalag.
We're at Yan Yan Frappe restaurant, one of our favorite restaurants here that we go to in Buhi, and this is also the same place we also rent the car from, so you make sure you check out this restaurant.
I'm having such a great time here. I ordered lungan gisang with white rice and with garlic and egg.
Pero sa mami mo, pero dalawang itlog.
Yeah.
It reminds me of an old Philippine town.
So we're over here in Ariga City, taking my parents here for the first time. So what do you think about it so far, Mom?
I'm having a great time and I like what I'm buying. It's mura.
Oh yeah, so yeah, it's very good price here. It's not the best price, but it's cheap compared to like American standard. What'd you get, Dad? My parents are here for the very first time, checking out the Pongo natural pool. We're going to be doing a Hip Hip Hooray contest today. I don't know if you guys have heard of that. It's really, really popular here in the Philippines. That's how you do it.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
That's how you do it, okay? She might even be the winner. And so we're gonna kind of do the same thing here at the house. And we're gonna do first, second, and third place. First place is gonna get 100 pesos for the first place. Second place is gonna get 50 pesos. And then last but not least, third place is gonna get 20 pesos. That's a lot of money, people. But anyways, it's just for fun. It's gonna be a fun contest and a fun game for the kids. We might even bring in some of the adults to do it with us.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip
See?
hooray!
There you go. So you guys ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's get it on. We're about to start the Hip Hip Hooray contest. We have a lot of people who are really, really nervous. We've got Baby Jean, she's really, really nervous. She's been practicing for 2 years. She's really hoping that she can win that 100 pesos. And then we got Laika here. She's like one of the tough competitors of the sport. She's been traveling around and doing this professionally all over the Philippines for the past 16 years. And she's 10 years old. I have my dad over there. You see my dad. He's a veteran. He's been doing this for a long time. I would probably say about 100 plus years or so. He's someone to look out for. It's gonna be really exciting, folks.
Hooray!
Hooray! Hip hip!
Hooray! Dala si Dio!
Pag sinabi nga ng hip hip, hooray ka. O sige, sabihin mo hip hip.
Hip hip hooray!
Hip hip!
Hip hip hooray!
Dahil mo na pag sabihin, hip hip, hooray. Dahil na. Pag sabi niyang
Anong problema lang, Pinoy?
hooray,
Hindi na naintindihan ni Dio.
Hindi mo naintindihan, naintindihan mo.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hep hep.
Hooray!
Hep hep. Hooray.
Hep hep! Hep hep!
Hooray! Tawag! Hooray!
Are we ready?
There you go.
Let me make sure.
Okay na po.
Hep hep.
Hooray!
Hep hep.
Hep hep!
Hooray.
Hep hep!
Hooray. Hep hep.
Hep hep. Tumatawa ka agad. Okay, that is out.
That's out!
Oh,
Good job. Good job.
Good job! Good job!
Hooray.
Hep hep!
Hooray. Hep hep.
Hooray!
Hep hep. Hooray.
Hep hep!
Hooray.
Hep hep!
Hep hep.
Dahil na! Dana, luwas na dyan!
Talaga diyan ah!
Good job, Dio. Good job, Dio. Okay, you ready?
Hep hep! Hep hep!
Ala ka to! Like, talunin mo like! Talunin mo sa atin ni Bay!
The top two.
Hep hep. Hooray. 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 Hep hep. Baliktad naman. Hooray. Hep
Ah,
hep.
baliktad naman.
Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep.
Ate, pangluyan na.
Hooray. Hep hep. 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 Hooray.
50 pesos. And 100 for Laika. Guys, she made 100. Yes. We just finished the Hip Hip Hooray contest, and as you can see the footage, it was an amazing, fun. The kids loved it. It was a cool contest. But so tomorrow we're going to Naga, so I'll be doing some work there and doing some sightseeing too. So anyways, we had a really fun time. She's the winner.
Bahay kubo, kahit munti, ang laman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patanin,
Ondol, patola,
upot, kalabasa, at saka meron pa
labanos, mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Sa paligid-ligid
ay
ay maraming lingas.
Ano yung linya?